To get started, I'm laying down a foam underlayment to make the laminate flooring softer and more comfortable to walk on. Before installing, be sure to clean the floors thoroughly. The foam padding is very easy to install. You'll just need a box cutter and a tape measure to get the job done. The foam underlayment has a strip of adhesive that you can peel off, allowing it to stick to the floor and stay securely in place. For the next sheet of underlayment, I decided not to measure and cut it all at once due to the limited space. Instead, I trimmed small portions off gradually until I reached the desired depth. This method actually worked surprisingly well. Now it's time to lay the laminate flooring. For this, you'll need a few key tools. 1. Spacers. These account for imperfections in the wall and create a gap between the flooring and the wall, helping you keep everything straight as you lay the floors. 2. Rubber mallet. Essential for tapping the boards into place without causing damage. 3. Tapping block. This helps you secure the flooring without damaging the edges. And finally, number 4. Laminate flooring pull bar. A lifesaver for those hard-to-reach pieces. To cut the laminate flooring, I'm using a speed square and a breakaway blade. Whenever you cut a piece, make sure to flip it around so you don't accidentally cut off the end that clips into the next board. Also, don't throw away the piece you cut off. It can be used to start the next row. Staggering the wood flooring like this creates a seamless and professional-looking transition. If you're new here, this renovation is part of my master bathroom series. I post a new video every Friday with updates on the project. For those who've been following along, you might notice the voiceover in this video sounds a bit different. That's because I'm testing out a new AI tool from Artlist Pro to see how it works for the channel. Since I travel a lot for work, I don't always have a way to record voiceovers. Let me know in the comments, would something like this work in the future if I can't record? Or should I delay posting instead? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers.
Okay, so I'm about to install a new toilet, but this plunge here has been on here for about 6 months. And I'm a little bit worried that there's gonna be roaches coming out just because that's where your bathroom goes. So I kept a thing of Raid handy, and then I got some gloves on as well, but hopefully there's no roaches. So what I'm gonna do is just tap on it, try to spook them off if there are any, and then we'll unscrew it and find out.
I'm so scared.
Can you see?
There's all around the thing.
Huh. Okay, cool. Not bad. That's good. Okay.
Scoot it back a little tiny bit.
Alright, that middle thing is there now?
The screw?
Yeah. Cool deal. Okay, so normally you'll add a bead of caulk down here, you know, close everything up. But since we just set this toilet in, I'm gonna flush it a few times throughout a few days and make sure there's no water leaking through it. So no water leaking now, but if you're ever installing a new toilet, you just want to check, give it maybe, you know, 10 to 12 flushes. If everything looks good, no water's leaking out, you can go ahead and add that bead of caulk. I'll just be aware of that before you do.